Well, I'm all about downtown Orlando becoming as vibrant and attractive as it can possibly be. But what the city fathers are talking about right now is a prescription for disaster. And that's why I've got to give you a Budman's rant on this cockamamie scheme to move last call at the bars and nightclubs in downtown Orlando from 2 a.m. on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays to 3 a.m. What do you get when you do that? Well, all you're reading about is, well, this is going to be great because it's going to help the bottom line for the bartenders and the bars and the nightclubs. I grant you it will do that, but at what cost? You have last call an hour later than it is now. What do you get? You get more drunks, drunker than ever. And then you get more drunks, drunker than ever, getting behind the wheel of a vehicle to drive home. It's an absolute prescription for disaster. If you want to create additional magnets for people to come downtown in Orlando for their entertainment, you've got to come up with a better answer than moving last call from 2 to 3 a.m. Trust me on this one, city fathers. You will rue the day if you go this route. That's what I think. What do you think? Join me for the next edition of Bud Hedinger Live on FM 104.5 AM 540 WFLA. I'll look for you then.